City is Chennai. What I do, I fake myself as a self filmmaker.
Badmash.
Really,
And now,
it's like a good क्या बोलते हैं,
mask.
mask.
Ramani, do you vote?
I voted last time when voted for Jayalalitha, and she won.
Do you believe in the idea of voting?
What is your take on vote? Yeah.
I mean, it's important to have a voting system. I think it should be. Yeah, it's a kind of empowerment of the people. I mean, whatever silly it is sounding, but it is what it is empowerment. But the follow up in our constitution is not there. That's the main problem. Like once you vote people, the people who voted them and the people who are voted, they become kind of stretched strangers after a point. So I think that system is need to be blamed for that. The excitement is only during the voting time, the canvassing and voting. After that, it gets cut off, and for 5 years, one stays without questioning, or even sense of general public's apathy is also very very heavy. I think the system allows it.
And what is your take on cannabis?
The thing is, it's not something that I smoke. I have not smoked cannabis. I have not even smoked cigarettes. But but it is a way of life in that village. The way one can see it, and it is just to be recognized for that. I feel. So now that if it is proved that you know taking ash is not really injurious to health, and it's not, and all that is, they're saying, it's not as lethal as what taking heroin or other kind of drugs. It's more organic, more locally brewed. I think it should be allowed. Yeah. I can't have an opinion on that. If they want it, they should have it. It's like somebody wants to smoke, they should smoke. I mean, we can't do anything about it.
And what do you think of Bomb?
Bomb as a film.
Yeah.
I have seen the film twice, and I like the film. I like the film for its quite a rigorous involvement, getting into the subject quite deeply. And in fact, while I was just watching the footage, the film, briefly, I felt it goes even beyond, the cinematic language. I think there is a certain urgency of telling a story or narrating a story that is so strongly coming across. And so I was wondering whether cinema is about telling a story or cinema has got its other forms. But of course, I liked it. I liked the way the certain sequences are cut, the way things are shot. It's a nice film, yeah.
I mean, why do you think people should watch Bomb? I mean, if you ask, would you recommend Bomb?
Yeah, it's about identity. It's about retaining your identity. It's about asserting your identity. It is about asserting your way of life. I mean, in that sense, I think marijuana is basically a kind of a metaphor where you just say that this is our way of life, and it could be anything. It could be dress, it could be behavior, it could be anything. In that sense, I would say the film is about asserting one's identity, and they have a strong identity. It is not a joke, and the kind of community they had, and civilization, almost like I would say it's a civilization they've had, is an amazing thing, and we should respect that instead of pulling them down. I think we should celebrate that kind of thing that is existing in our land.
And do you think this bomb will actually can create an impact on youth, or what's your take on that? I mean, whether it's important for the youth to look at it?
Yeah, of course, they should. But I don't know, the clarity of the matter may not be so strong in the sense, though maybe you're talking to me and asking me, maybe I'm even trying to speak in favor, of things. But I don't know whether the clarity of the subject matter is so strong. Like the Chief Minister was saying, no, it is what Lord Shiva smoked. When you say things like that, then suddenly it becomes very ambivalent. And so it is a practice in a village, so it should be allowed. I mean, it's as simple, I would rather put it like that. And it's a way of life. It's something that they earned, cultivated. Their climate suits it. So, huge manufacturing, low, cottage industry. It is.
That's what he asked me. What's your take on marijuana? I said, what's my take on
Marijuana, क्या होता है?
Cannabis,
Marijuana. Cannabis.
हाँ, but उतना ही बोलना, किंगफिशर वाला ही बोलना.
No, my point is that if the entire Malana village, I see it as a huge cottage industry which is producing this marijuana, which they love to produce and which they make a living out of it. So, like Kingfisher, if is allowed to produce beer in India and sell, or India Tobacco Company is allowed to produce cigarettes and sell, it should be allowed. It's a much lesser harm, I think, it's in terms of, I think in fact, as one of the person is saying, that it at least keep people going to other kind of drugs, it keeps them in a lesser evil. And yeah, it's a cottage industry, and I think it should be supported.